guys, so today I'm going to pick up some, well, tonight I'm going to pick up some jetpacks and I think a Formula, but yeah, so I'm going to take my new ute, just bought the customizations from about $2,000. Yeah, about $2,000. And just hook my trailer up. We can go now. When you're coming out here, you gotta watch for cars because they come speeding along here. I think you should do over near these houses. But yeah, I think it's somewhere near here. Yeah, it's over here. Oh yeah, over here. He said he's not going to be home, but he said just leave the money under the mat. So I'm going to put that under there. And then go over here, put me ramps down. Four-wheel on first. Put this on this side. I don't know if I'm actually gonna fit that. Hey! Watch it on. Go on, mate. Almost just died. That hurt, man. It'll fit. Ramps up. Time to go home. Right. Turn around in here. See, you gotta watch for cars like that truck. Let's go. Oh, good. Oh, better go to speed limit, which is 100. That's gonna scratch me car. Gone. It's what happens when you play games like this. I don't. It's just annoying because I got sucked up because that tornado! 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 Ah! Ah! Tornado! Acorn! There's a big tornado! It sucked me car! new clothes. I know about this. It's not very ideal. But, she's not too happy about it. I'm not too happy about it, so I've got the car. Just paid $5 for that. Both of them. Alright, see you guys next time.